Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering your ID and address proof, because installers will verify ownership. Once done, choose the plan that matches your speed and streaming needs. You should compare bundled OTT or landline options to avoid surprises. Next, open the GeoFiber website or app and start a new connection request or call customer care to schedule installation. Make sure to pick a convenient date and time slot so the technician can visit without delay. You will complete KYC by uploading documents in the app or letting the technician verify originals on site, and then make the required advance payment or choose a cash-on install option if available. Once payment clears, the technician runs the fiber to your home, mounts the ONT/GPON box, and hands you the Wi-Fi router. Make sure they place the router centrally for best coverage. After physical setup, watchers will configure the connection and share default SSID. You finalize by activating service in the GeoFiber app or letting auto-provisioning complete. Once the LED indicators show link and internet, run a speed test to confirm expected throughput. You must immediately change the default SSID and Wi-Fi password and set a router admin password to secure your network. If you face issues, restart the ONT and router, check fiber cable seating and continuity, and if that fails, contact Geo support with your customer ID and install details for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.